Welcome to our video on cryptocurrency. In this video, I will be giving you an overview of what it is, how it works, how to get started, and why it is important to know about it. What is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of payment through a computer network. It is an encrypted and a decentralized medium of exchange, verified and recorded on a blockchain. Unlike a fiat currency like the US dollar, for example, there is no central authority, no government or bank that manages and maintains the value of a cryptocurrency. Instead, these tasks are broadly distributed among cryptocurrency users via the internet by supply and demand. Nowadays, you can use crypto to buy regular goods and services, although most people invest in cryptocurrencies as they would in other assets, like stocks or precious metals. While cryptocurrency is still a novel and exciting asset class, purchasing it can be risky. You should research it to understand how each system fully works. What is a blockchain? A blockchain is an open, distributed ledger that records transactions in code. It functions similar to a checkbook that's distributed across countless computers around the world. Transactions are recorded in blocks that are then linked together on a chain of previous cryptocurrency transactions. It literally writes down every single transaction around the world each day. Every blockchain user using cryptocurrency has a copy of the checkbook in order to create an unified transaction record. Transactions are logged in, and every copy of the blockchain checkbook is updated simultaneously with the new information, keeping all records identical and accurate. Each transaction is checked using a unique validation technique, such as proof of work or proof of stake, in order to prevent fraud. Why should you invest in crypto? Crypto has been a disruptive technology for some time by now. It has left the starting skepticism behind, and it has proven it is here to stay for the long run. Being a decentralized currency has helped its rise to popularity. It is also another way to diversify your portfolio. It is never too late to participate, and the monetary future is sure linked with crypto and blockchain technologies. There are more places and services each day accepting cryptocurrency as payment method, and information is easily available for you to educate yourself before taking the first step. How to invest in cryptocurrency? There are basically two ways you can invest in crypto. You will have to choose either a broker or a crypto exchange. A broker will generally have a friendly interface with fees varying from zero to high depending on the broker. You also should check where they are regulated and if they allow you to move your crypto off the platform and hold it in your personal wallet. A crypto exchange will generally have a more complex user interface with lower fees. The interface might look a bit more intimidating for the first-time users. Cryptocurrency exchanges are not backed by protections like the Federal Deposit Insurance Corp, and they are at risk of theft or hacking, so make sure to store your crypto in a safe wallet. Before you go any further, make sure you do your own research and get more familiar with what you plan to invest your money in. There are several free videos and tutorials you can research by yourself. We will be sharing some tips in this channel as well. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up with our newest videos. What is a crypto wallet? It is a secured storage place for your cryptocurrency. There are basically two types of wallet: cold wallet and hot wallet. Cold crypto wallets aren't connected to the internet. Make them your most secure option for holding cryptocurrency. They take the form of an external device, like a USB or a hard drive. Hot crypto wallets are stored online and run on internet-connected devices, such as tablets, computers, or phones. Both types have their pros and cons, so we recommend you to do your own research and see which ones are at the risk level you are comfortable with. Key takeaways: cryptocurrencies are decentralized and not controlled by a government or bank authority. Blockchain is how and where the cryptocurrency transactions are recorded and stored. You can invest in cryptocurrency by signing up to a broker or crypto exchange. A wallet is the safest method to store your cryptocurrency. Remember to be due diligent and do your own research before investing any money. If you like this content and want to see more, please hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel. If you have a question or would like to know more about a specific topic, leave us a suggestion. Stay tuned and follow us on our social media channels for more information about stocks, forex, crypto, NFTs, and the metaverse. Disclaimer: we are not licensed to provide financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only.